Walking is often recommended as one of the safest and most effective habits for staying healthy after the age of 50. It supports heart health, keeps the joints moving, improves circulation, and even helps the brain stay active. That's why millions of people make walking part of their daily routine. But here's something that may surprise you. Some people walk every day for years and still experience knee discomfort, fatigue in the legs, or stiffness after their walks. In many cases, the problem isn't the walking itself. It's how the body moves during the walk. Small habits that feel completely normal, the way the foot lands, the way the head tilts, or even how the arms move, can slowly place extra strain on the joints and muscles. Most people never notice these patterns because they happen automatically. But over time, they can affect balance, posture, circulation, and overall comfort while walking. The encouraging news is that these habits are usually very easy to correct once you become aware of them. Today we're going to look at 7 common walking habits that many people develop without realizing it, and how simple adjustments can help your walks feel smoother, safer, and more comfortable. Before we begin, I'd love to hear from you, and I personally read every comment. How long do you usually walk each day? About 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes or more? Let me know in the comments below. Let's start with the first mistake. Mistake 7, overstriding. One of the most common walking mistakes people make is overstriding. Overstriding simply means taking steps that are longer than your body's natural walking rhythm. Many people believe that longer steps help them walk faster or cover more distance. But in reality, overly long strides can actually place extra stress on the body. When your foot lands too far in front of your body, the leg acts almost like a brake. Instead of your movement flowing forward smoothly, your body experiences a small stopping force with every step. Over time, this repeated braking motion can increase pressure on the knees, hips, and lower back. For adults over 50, this added strain can contribute to joint discomfort or fatigue during longer walks. Overstriding can also disrupt your walking rhythm. Walking is meant to feel smooth and natural. When steps become too long, the body loses that rhythm, and the movement becomes less efficient. The simple fix is surprisingly easy. Instead of trying to stretch your steps forward, focus on shorter, quicker strides. Your feet should land closer to your body rather than far in front of it. This allows your body weight to move forward naturally with each step. Think of walking as a rolling motion, where each step flows smoothly into the next. Shorter steps often feel lighter and more comfortable, and they place much less stress on the joints. Now let's look at another mistake that many walkers don't notice, but that can significantly affect the impact on your knees and hips. Mistake 6, heel striking too hard. The next walking mistake involves how your foot lands on the ground. Many people walk with a very heavy heel strike. This means the heel hits the ground with a strong impact before the rest of the foot follows. A gentle heel contact is normal when walking. But when the heel strikes the ground too forcefully, that impact travels upward to the ankle, knee, and hip joints. Over time, repeated impact can place unnecessary stress on these joints. For some people, this may contribute to discomfort in the knees or stiffness in the hips after longer walks. This issue often becomes more noticeable as we age because the natural cushioning in our joints gradually decreases. Fortunately, the solution is simple. Instead of letting the heel slam into the ground, try to focus on a softer, smoother foot placement. Allow your heel to touch the ground gently, then let your weight roll forward through the middle of the foot toward the toes. This rolling motion helps distribute the impact more evenly. It also creates a smoother walking rhythm and reduces stress on the joints. Another helpful tip is to keep your steps relaxed rather than forceful. Walking should feel light and fluid, not heavy or pounding. When the body moves smoothly, the joints absorb less impact and the muscles work more efficiently. The next mistake happens even before many people settle into their walking rhythm, and it can affect the entire walk. Mistake 5, starting your walk too fast. Another mistake many people make happens right at the beginning of their walk. They start too fast. It's common to step outside and immediately begin walking at a brisk pace, but the body needs a few minutes to gradually prepare for movement. When you suddenly move into a fast pace, your muscles may still be stiff and your joints have not fully warmed up yet. Your heart rate can also rise more quickly than necessary. This sudden change may lead to fatigue earlier in the walk or create unnecessary stress on the muscles. A better approach is to treat the first few minutes of your walk as a natural warm-up. Start with a comfortable pace that feels easy and relaxed. Allow your muscles to loosen and your joints to move through their natural range of motion. After about 3 to 5 minutes, you can gradually increase your walking speed. This simple warm-up prepares your body for movement and helps reduce the risk of strain. It also allows your breathing and heart rate to increase smoothly rather than suddenly. Many experienced walkers follow this pattern without even thinking about it. They begin slowly, find their rhythm, and only then increase their pace. That small adjustment can make your walk feel more comfortable and sustainable. Next, we'll look at a mistake that many walkers overlook completely, but it plays an important role in balance and circulation during walking. Before we continue, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Senior Revival, where simple changes for seniors can lead to a powerful, healthy comeback. Mistake 4. Not using your arms. Many people walk with their arms hanging almost completely still at their sides. But natural arm movement is actually an important part of efficient walking. When your arms swing gently while you walk, they help balance the movement of your legs. Each step you take creates a natural rhythm between the upper and lower body. When the arms remain still, that rhythm becomes less efficient. Arm movement also engages muscles in the shoulders, chest, and upper back. This means more muscles are working during your walk, which can improve circulation and increase the overall effectiveness of the activity. Another benefit is stability. The swinging motion of the arms helps maintain balance and coordination while walking. Fortunately, correcting this mistake is very simple. You don't need exaggerated arm movements. Just allow your arms to swing naturally in rhythm with your steps. Keep your elbows slightly bent and your shoulders relaxed. The motion should feel smooth and comfortable, not forced. A good guideline is to let your arms move opposite your legs. When your right foot steps forward, your left arm swings forward, and vice versa. This natural pattern helps the body move efficiently. Once you allow your arms to participate in the movement, walking often feels lighter and more balanced. Now let's move on to another important walking factor many people overlook. Mistake 3. Wearing the wrong shoes. Shoes may seem like a small detail when it comes to walking, but they can have a major impact on how your body feels during and after a walk. Many people continue wearing shoes long after they have lost their support and cushioning. Others choose shoes based mainly on appearance instead of comfort and stability. The problem is that worn-out or poorly designed shoes can change the way your feet interact with the ground. When proper support is missing, more pressure may be placed on the ankles, knees, hips, and lower back. Over time, this can lead to discomfort or fatigue during longer walks. A good walking shoe should provide 3 important things. First, adequate cushioning to absorb impact when your foot contacts the ground. Second, proper arch support so the foot stays aligned and stable. And third, flexibility in the sole, allowing the foot to move naturally during each step. It's also helpful to replace walking shoes regularly, especially if the soles become worn or uneven. Comfortable shoes allow your body to move naturally and reduce unnecessary strain on the joints. Next, we'll look at a mistake that affects not just the feet, but your entire posture while walking. Mistake 2. Poor walking posture. Posture plays a much bigger role in walking than many people realize. Some walkers move with their head leaning forward, shoulders slouched, or eyes constantly looking down at the ground. This posture may feel harmless at first, but over time it can place extra strain on the neck, shoulders, and upper back. When the head moves forward, the muscles in the neck must work harder to support its weight. Poor posture can also affect breathing. When the chest collapses forward, the lungs cannot expand fully. This means the body receives less oxygen during your walk, which may leave you feeling more tired. Another common modern habit is walking while looking at your phone. This pulls the head downward and increases the strain on the neck and upper spine. It can also reduce awareness of your surroundings, increasing the risk of tripping or losing balance. The solution is simple. Walk with your head upright, shoulders relaxed, and gaze forward. Imagine a gentle string lifting the top of your head upward. This posture allows your lungs to expand more easily and helps your body move efficiently. And the final mistake may be one of the most important for balance and safety during walking. Mistake 1. Not lifting your feet enough. The final walking mistake is something many people don't notice until it begins causing problems. It's not lifting the feet high enough during each step. As people age, the muscles responsible for lifting the feet can gradually become weaker. When the feet barely clear the ground, the risk of tripping over uneven surfaces, small obstacles, or curbs increases. This can affect confidence while walking and may lead to shorter or slower walks. A proper walking step involves lifting the foot slightly, allowing it to move forward smoothly before placing it back on the ground. The motion should feel natural and relaxed. One helpful habit is to focus on pushing gently off the back foot while allowing the front foot to lift and move forward. This encourages a smoother stride and reduces the chance of dragging the toes. Strengthening the lower leg muscles through regular walking and simple exercises can also help improve this movement. When the feet lift properly with each step, walking becomes more stable and efficient. Small details like this may seem minor, but they play a big role in maintaining balance, confidence, and safety while walking. Walking remains one of the simplest and most effective ways to support your health as you get older. It benefits the heart, strengthens muscles, improves circulation, and helps maintain balance and mobility. But as you've seen today, small details in the way you walk can make a big difference. Simple adjustments like taking smoother steps, maintaining good posture, allowing your arms to swing naturally, and wearing supportive shoes can greatly improve the comfort and safety of your walks. These small improvements help reduce strain on the joints and allow your body to move more efficiently. Walking is not about speed or competition. It's about creating a sustainable habit that supports your health for years to come. Even modest daily walks can make a meaningful difference when practiced consistently. Paying attention to how you walk allows you to gain the full benefits of this simple activity. We're building a community here to support your strong, healthy comeback. If this helped you, I'd truly appreciate a like and if you subscribe. Also share it with someone you love. And join me in the next video for another simple step toward better health.